Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Amna, your favorite place to learn real English in an easy, warm, and fun way.
And I'm Ryan. We're super happy you're here. If you want to speak English naturally, easily, and without translating in your head,
Then this video is exactly for you. Today, we're teaching you how to train your brain to think in English.
let's begin.
Let me ask you something. Do you ever sit in a conversation and think like this? Okay, I know the English word. Wait, let me translate. Um, what was it?
Yes. And your brain is like loading, buffering, system not responding.
But don't worry. Today's lesson will show you simple daily habits that make your brain switch into English mode.
Once your brain starts thinking in English, you will speak faster, understand more, and feel confident everywhere.
This is the easiest brain training trick. Think small, very small.
Yes, only 2 to 3 second English thoughts. No long sentences.
Wake up. It's morning. I'm sleepy. I need water.
This is called mini English thinking. Tiny sentences, big English progress.
Your brain learns English like a baby. Small words first. Simple, natural, stress free.
Wherever you are, or look around and name things in English.
Mug, plate, bread. Boiling water, hot tea.
This trains your brain to connect English words directly to objects.
Not Urdu, English. Not Arabic, English. Just thing, English word.
This removes translation from your mind completely.
This one is funny, but powerful. Just talk to yourself.
Like this, acting silly. Okay, Ryan, focus. Don't waste time. Record the video. No more snacks.
This helps your brain create automatic English sentences.
And the best part? You don't need perfect grammar. You just need English flow.
Let's show a real example. Imagine you're getting ready.
Where's my bag? Wallet, keys, phone. Okay, shoes on. Let's go.
Short sentences equals fast thinking.
Your brain needs English in simple moments, not books, not exams, but everyday life.
Don't switch your whole life to English. That's too hard.
Just choose one activity each day and do it in English. For example, writing a to-do list, describing your day, watching a short English video, talking while cooking, thinking during your evening walk.
Slow changes, big results.
Your brain starts creating English habits without pressure. And hey, if you're enjoying this lesson,
Make sure you like, subscribe, and support our channel. Learn with Amna.
so you never miss our fun English lessons.
All right, let's continue.
This is one of my favorites. Ask yourself small English questions during the day. Your brain answers automatically.
What is this smell? What should I cook? What time is it? What do I need today?
These questions push your brain to think fast, in English.
This one feels magical.
Whenever you look at something, describe it in one English sentence.
Sky is pink. Street is quiet. Children are playing. Clouds are moving fast.
One sentence equals one English thought. This builds natural fluency.
Before sleeping, spend 20 seconds speaking English softly.
Just 3 to 5 simple lines about your day.
I studied today. I cooked dinner. I watched a fun video. I feel relaxed.
Your brain remembers the last language you used before sleep. This improves thinking and speaking speed.
Choose 1 hour in your day to use only English in your mind.
You don't need to speak loudly, just think in English during that hour.
Morning walk, evening tea, bus ride, cooking time.
Any moment can become your English mode moment.
Now, a fun mini quiz.
If you look at your shoes and say, black shoes, comfortable, which technique is this?
A. Memory snapshot. B. Mini English thinking. C. Talking to yourself.
Write your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right.
Thank you so much for watching today's English lesson on Learn with Amna.
We hope you start thinking in English from today, even for 3 seconds.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And remember,
Your brain loves English, so give it more English.
see you in the next video on Learn with Amna.